Hey guys, it is Lyndon here, and today now I'm going to be doing a review this time. I'm going to be reviewing the four-wheeler versus the motorbike. Okay, so first up, we're going to use the four-wheeler. The four-wheeler looks pretty cool, and it is pretty fast as well. Four-wheeler is pretty fast. It's not at the front of the line yet, though. It jumps really good. Ah, crap. But I just crashed it. One second, guys. Since we crashed the four-wheeler, we're gonna start over. Alright, guys, we are back, and since we crashed, I decided to do this again just to give it one more chance. Because that could have been my fault. You never know. Yep, right off the bat, he's already in first place. That's pretty cool. It's really fast. Jumps are really cool. I also like the animation of the wheels going up and down. Alright, the report on the four-wheeler is very good. Now it's time to go to the motorbike. Motorbike looks really cool too. Let's go. Motorbike looks pretty cool too. Motorbike fast. Well, we're gonna see if he'll win this race. Motorbike's a little bit skinnier, so you're less likely to really run into anyone that much. It's not in first place exactly yet. Well, now it is. To be honest, it doesn't sound so good. I mean, it sounds pretty cool, but I think the four-wheeler sounds a lot better. Alright, those were the reviews on the two off-road racing vehicles. The four-wheeler or the motorbike. To be honest, what I think, one second, I'm gonna go into this so you can get a casual little look at all of them. To be honest, in my opinion, I think that they're both equally as awesome. So if you want me to answer your question, then both I don't really know. You can do it if you want to. They're all equally as awesome in my opinion. So, I hope you guys have been having a good day, and goodbye.